Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is 3 Rs. As you know that what is 3 Rs? 3 Rs is nothing but the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means the particle it should be used in a very low consumption for the different ways which are getting beneficial to the environment. And reuse means the particles or any things that should be used in a reused. That is, for example, you can say the wood. This wood can be used for the reuse purpose. Then there are so many things which are been beneficial to use for the reuses. Then third RS is the recycle. Recycle means the particles or things should be done the recycling. For example, you can see the plastics. This can be utilized for the recycling. Then they reduce the spread of cold and flu. Frequently wash hands 20 seconds before eating, after handling body secretion, and before rubbing eyes or touching the face. So frequently this can be utilized, that is the reduce. Then cup or sneeze into your sleeve at the bend of your elbow means it place left hand on right shoulder, sneeze into your sleeve. The carry disposable tissue to wipe blow nose, place facial tissues in pocket purse. Daily become a regular healthy habit. So basically you can say this e-waste. This e-waste, for example, you can see the computer, monitor and televisions. This is the contain the heavy metals, and in heavy metals constitutes lead, cadmium, copper, zinc, nickel, tin, cobalt, etc. And this can be utilized for the e-waste. Improper disposable, the contaminated landfill and the groundwater, classified as universal hazardous waste. It cannot be thrown into regular trash. Then Electronic Waste Collection and Recycling Act. Electronic Waste Collection and Recycling Act, it is fees charged at initial purchase to fund program. The recyclers paid by state of California for items received. Then, as you know that this e-waste is a location for the recycles. Basically, recycling collection. It is a city of Auckland. It is a city of Auckland goal, zero waste goal in the year of 2020, and now it is so before 10-year decades, that is one decade, 75% waste reduction has been done for the recycling collection. One half the waste created in the Auckland is from business. Recycling, third floor blue bin at desk white paper or large common areas, and fourth floor blue bin at desk, kitchen, conference or coffee rooms. And this recycle is paper, cardboard, envelopes, phone books, post notes, magazine, cans, plastic bottle, glass bottle, aluminum foil, yogurt and cottage cheese containers, etc. can be utilized for their recycling. Then landfills. Land also they can utilize that is plastic bag, plastic cups, and utensil, plastic food wrappers, styrofoam, plastic coffee cup, plastic straws, saran wrap, etc. आणि याच्या व्यतिरिक्त आपण जर बघितलं तर याच्या रियूजमध्ये जर बघितलं तर आपण बरेचसे पार्टिकल जे असतात ते आपण रियूज करू शकतो. आणि त्याचबरोबर रियूजमध्ये ते पार्टिकल ज्यावेळेस एकदा वापरल्यानंतर परत आपण ती गोष्ट वापरतो त्याला आपण रियूज म्हणतो. आणि रिड्यूस म्हणजे आपण कोणती गोष्ट वापरताना ती त्याचं कन्झम्पशन जे आहे ते प्रॉपर असलं पाहिजे, त्याला आपण रिड्यूस म्हणतो. तर ही 3 Rs आहे, त्यालाच आपण 3 Rs म्हणजे रिड्यूस, रियूज आणि रिसायकल आहे. थँक्यू.